Hi friends, you are watching Krishna's Global Trends and this is Krishna. So today there was a huge requirement in Wipro, especially for the graduates, especially you can say graduates, it's not engineering and non-engineering, irrespective of the arts, science and even engineering background. So any kind of graduates, they can apply for this job. This is called digitalized workspace service desk jobs. This is completely service desk jobs. What I mean by this service desk job means so this is to resolve the issues, especially you can say the hardware and software related issues like repairing and even network related issues resolving, and any kind of the support required for the persons through mail and email, through the voice call. So they have to communicate effectively and they have to resolve the issues. So this is what the service desk job completely. So the Wipro is recruiting now for irrespective of the branches. So any kind of engineering background, any kind of non-engineering background, so they are recruiting. So the eligibility criteria is the graduate, but when? So it will be in 2020 only. So the 2019 they are not allowing. So only 2020 graduates means this year those who graduated, so they are eligible to go for this kind of jobs. And so there is a little difference between the salaries point of view. Non-technical, they will get 1.2 lakhs per annum. So engineering background candidates, they will get 1.8 lakh per annum. What will be the interview process in this process? So you no need to go to that interview location directly. So it is completely online, virtual only. So the first criteria is they will give one online assignment. So you have to fill and you have to send all those online assignment, whatever the task you given to you. So you have to send through the mail. Once that assignment what you did is cleared, so they will come to the they will call you for the direct discussion. So that is like a GD type. So they will give one task and you have to discuss in online only, so through the virtual only completely. So and after once if you clear that virtual discussion, so then they will take you directly to the HR interview, so discuss further salaries point of view. And the main problem with this job is any location you have to work, irrespective of the different locations in India, within India. So you have to locate, you have to join at any time and you have to serve at any location. Service desk job recruitment is once if you already applied for this job, if you already appeared for the interview, like online discussion and HR interview, so you are not eligible for this job. So those who are fresh, so those who are not yet applied for this job, so they are eligible for this application. So we will see that link and how to apply for this job and how we will get. See, applying for the job is not wrong. Okay, you may apply for 20 or 15 jobs, but they may reply around 4 or 5 jobs. So it does not mean that every job what we applied they will give reply and they will get. No. So whatever the eligibility you are, just try to keep on applying. So at any time you are going to get the best you will get. So we will see now how to see that how to apply for this link. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel to get all this kind of latest update information, please subscribe now. And to get all the notifications, please hit that bell icon also. You will get all notifications, latest updates, and you are going to apply as usual. So let's see the video. So how to apply for this job, we'll see in detail now. Yeah, so now we will see how to apply for the service desk hiring in Wipro. Okay, so that is for 2020 graduates. As I said before, any kind of graduates, not only the technical background, non-technical like arts, science, whatever the background they are having, if they are graduated in 2020, so they can apply. So here just type in the Google service desk hiring 2020 graduates in Wipro and apply. So if you enter here, so you will get this one. Okay, just click on careerswipro.com. So that is a digital workspace service desk. Okay, so once if you click this, you will enter into the next page. So this is what the careerswipro.com. So DWSD. Okay, service desk recruitment here. So once if you come down, so this is, you can see DWSD 2020. This is what the job you are applying now. This is the overview of this one, and you can see the eligibility as I said before. So the 10th standard 50% and 12th standard plus 2 50% and graduation 50%. So they're not expecting more than 5.0 CGPA. And so year of passing, as I said before, only 2020 passed outs only. So this is the qualifications requirement. And as I said before, the selection procedure, so they will give you one online assignment, okay, and they will take you to the group discussion, then directly they will go for technical and HR interview directly. Okay, so this is what the requirement process. And if you are eligible for this, just click on apply here. Okay, so once if you click apply here, so it will take you to the directly to the applying page. Okay, so here you have to register. So it will take you to the registration page that you can see the campus Wipro. So candidate registration, so digital workspace service desk hiring. Okay, so here you need to fill all your details: first name, middle name, last name, and your Aadhaar number, your phone number, and date of birth, your mail IDs, and other current address. Okay, so your education details, how much will be the CGPA, and so have you studied PG? So this kind of questions you will get, and you can apply as by seeing the each and every details. And finally, so you have to declaration. You have to give the declaration that all the information is true, and you already you are willing to work in different locations in in India by 24/7 services. Okay, so once if you fill all these details, okay, then just go for enable these two check boxes. Okay, so that they are going to accepted the declaration form. Then go for the register. Okay, just click on the register. Yeah, so once if you register, if you click on the registration, so it will ask you, so please confirm if you have entered all the details correctly. Once you submit, no further change can be made. Okay, so if it is done, just you can click on yes. If you want to recheck once again, click on no, and check it once again, and again click on the register. So you will get the same confirmation message. So just click on yes. So now you will get the confirmation of your application. Yeah. So resume number 9950642. So this you have to keep remember. So thank you for registering with us. So please wait for further call later. Okay. So this is how to apply for the Wipro, especially for the digital workspace service desk hiring. Okay. So to get all this kind of updated latest information related to the job and so the internship programs, please do subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon, so to get the notifications whenever I upload the video. You can see the video directly, and you are going to apply. And so thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Bye, take care.